Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is HP USB. If you're unable to install this HP driver and if you're receiving this error, that is 0x80070103. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now because of this update you are unable to install another update because this is not installing, and because of that you are unable to install another update. So in order to get rid of this error, you can follow the steps. Now you can install HP drivers from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, you can go to Dell website. If you have HP computer, go to HP. If you have Lenovo, go to Lenovo. So go to your system manufacturer website and install the HP driver from the system manufacturer website. Now in case if you're not experiencing any kind of hardware issue with the computer, then there is no need to install this driver. Now to get rid of this error code and to get rid of this driver from Windows Update, you can run show or hide update troubleshooter. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. This is a Microsoft website. Open this website. Now this will download show and hide troubleshooter. Now when you open this website, if nothing happens, if you see that it's not downloading, in that case you can click on this up arrow and then you will see an option keep. So click on keep and then download this show and hide troubleshooter. Click on it. Now over here you can see show or hide update from Microsoft. Click on next and let the search complete. Now click on hide updates. Now over here you will find that HP driver. So in my case, I don't have that exact driver, HP USB. I don't have this, but in your case, you will find HP driver. Put a check over here and then click on next and let the process complete. Now once done, you can close this and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can open Windows Update and you can click on check for update. You will not see that update anymore and you can install the next update. So this is how you can get rid of this error and this driver. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.